The Macmillan glass factory was different in that it required its workers either A or B. This either or construction is important for conveying the intended meaning of the sentence. So answer choices A and B should be eliminated for not having the either or construction. Now in the either A or B construction, A and B must be parallel. In choice C we see either to have taken or to have a special examination passed. C, to have passed, would be parallel to have taken, and therefore answer choice C does not maintain parallelism. Similar problem in choice E, either to have taken, and then in answer choice E, this phrase resulting in none of Macmillan's workers being is wordy and awkward. We have a better answer choice in D. Choice D uses a semicolon. So from here to here, this is one independent clause, and from here to here, this is another independent clause. So choice D is direct and concise in construction. This is better than choice E. Please remember, the usage of being is justified only when it is part of a noun phrase or when it acts as a passive continuous verb. And of course, the usage of passive continuous verb must be justified, which is not the case here. The passive voice is not necessary. Choice D is superior, and the usage of being is not justified. One more observation here, the usage of have, had is incorrect. Had here suggests past perfect tense, which is uncalled for. Remember, past perfect tense is justified only when a sentence has two actions in past and one action is more in past. The past perfect tense marked by the helping verb had is used with the action which is more in past. That isn't the case here, so one more reason why B is incorrect. Another interesting observation is this usage were here. Some students may think that were is correct because workers are plural, but it's not workers here, it is none of Macmillan's workers. None means not even one here, it is something singular. So answer choices which use were here are not going to be correct. So that's another reason why A is incorrect. Some students may eliminate the correct answer choice was. Some students may eliminate the correct answer choice D because of this usage was here, thinking that workers and was do not agree. But once again, it is about none of Macmillan's workers. None is singular. It means not even one. So was and not were is the correct usage. So that's another merit in the correct answer choice D. Let's confirm choice D now. The Macmillan glass factory in the 19th century Europe was different from all other glass factories in that it required its workers either to have taken a systematic course in glass making or to have passed. So the best part about answer choice D is that it maintains 100% parallelism between two verb phrases, to have taken or to have passed. A special examination on glass making skills. The independent clause ends here. Another independent clause starts. None of Macmillan's workers was untrained. Makes complete sense. D is the correct answer choice.